What's up, everybody? Ooh. Maddi is currently looking for everything that she's gonna feed me in the challenge. I'm pretty nervous, but this will be fun.
Hi guys, it's me, Maddi here, and I have some food for our food challenge. Jessie didn't really have anything that great. I'll tell you what I got for it. Some whole wheat flour, some Cool Whip, a sugar cookie, these like spicy nut things, and some instant hash browns. So we'll see how this goes. There wasn't really a whole lot to choose from in the pantry. A lot of it was canned goods, and I couldn't get the canned opener to work, but we'll see how it goes. I'm excited and also nervous. I'm allergic to a lot of things, so hopefully Jessie doesn't kill me by giving me something I'm allergic to. But I'm nervous and excited, and hope you guys think this is fun. So we'll see how it goes.
Hey everyone.
We're here and ready for our food challenge.
Yeah, so my name is Jessie.
I'm Maddi.
Today we will be doing a tasting challenge thingy. It's a little challenge where you're pretty much blindfolded and your friend feeds you crap that you don't know what you're eating, but you have to guess what it is.
Okay.
And so we're about to get started on this. Who should go first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Ooh.
I'll go first.
Okay, cool. Alrighty then, so cover that up. Did you hear my stomach growl?
Yeah.
I'm like, damn. Can you see?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
But did you know that 80% of your taste is from your smell?
Your smell? Is that tight?
Yeah.
Cool. Sorry. So the rule is you have to guess what it is. And I'll go ahead and just feed you. I'll tell you when. Alrighty. Here we go. Ready? Eat it!
It's a green bean.
No, it's not. It's a Cheeto.
It's a green.
Eat it!
I can't, it's cold.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Next.
Alrighty. You have to eat it.
What is it?
That's why you guess. Ready? Open wide. Open wide. Okay, eat it. Chew it. Eat it. Maddi, eat it! It's the point of the challenge.
Oh, what is it?
Guess what it is.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know either. Maddi, you're cheating!
What did you just feed me?
It's some type of vegetable. Shut up! Put it back on now! Cheater. Okay, are you ready for the next one?
No.
Look at your baby. It's like my baby alive, my own bristle. Ready? Okay, you have to eat it. Literally, you have to chew it. What is
It
it?
tastes like a nasty broccoli.
Well, it is broccoli, but it's not nasty.
It's nasty. It's like soggy. Why do we eat it soggy?
It's not soggy. I cooked it. Cover your eyes. Okay, ready? Oops. Here, open wide. What is it?
It's like rice. What flavor rice is it?
Brown.
But it's like really like
Well, I put some flavor in it.
what flavor?
Why?
Is it cheddar?
No. It's not cheese, rice.
I've heard of like broccoli cheddar rice before.
No.
What flavor did you put in?
I don't know, it's some type of flavoring thing that my mom uses. Okay, ready? Open wide.
No.
Open wide!
What is that?
Open it, Maddie, you're cheating! That's not the point of the challenge! Ready? Open wide.
We're feeding you nasty food.
No, it's not. Okay. Nasty food's my ass.
Is this chicken?
Yeah.
What's on it?
Just seasoning.
Oh, that's good.
I know. You tell me what it is.
That's a pretzel! I can eat pretzels. You tried to kill me. You tried to kill me.
I didn't know you couldn't eat pretzels.
I eat pretzels.
Maddie's allergic. Okay, close your mouth. Eyes. I mean. No, close your eyes.
That's raisin.
Yeah, it's a raisin.
Yum.
Okay, close your eyes. What the hell, Madison?
I thought you were
God, he can't do shit with you, I swear.
Okay, your turn.
I'm gonna tell your mom.
This is on the food.
Okay.
I only have like 4 things.
Oh.
What's yours?
I'm not a cheater.
Open up.
What the fuck is this?
It's flour.
Ew, I'm gonna kick your ass. Phew. What a bitch.
Okay, wait, what's that?
Ew, after I
This
got
is
some
how you-
tasty shit for your ass.
I
Ew.
tried to poison you. That's so...
Ew. Okay. Next. See, I'm not a crybaby. I'll get through it. Oh, it's whipped cream.
Except I think it had mold in it.
What?
When I opened the thing.
Ew.
Wait, not the thing. Okay.
Peanuts?
I don't know. They're like spicy nuts.
Okay. One of those nuts from Mexico.
Okay, ready? Open it. Take it out.
Tastes like cereal.
It's instant, like hash browns.
Oh, yum. They might be even better raw.
Okay, last one.
Cookies?
Yeah.
These are the cookies I made?
I don't know. They're on the count.
Oh, okay. Hooray! Still gonna kick your ass for giving me flowers. Ew, I'm all dirty. Okay. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. That was our challenge. Even though Maddie cheated. And yeah, that was our challenge.
Hope you guys liked it, even though we didn't. But like, comment, subscribe.
Follow us. Ugh. How gross. Madison,
Bye.
flowers don't eat flour.
Bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye. See ya. Ew. Ah, white stuff on my pants. Oh my god. I didn't mean it like that.
Peace out.
We're from the hood, is it? No, not yet.
I was actually laughing because of that one time.
One time.
Madison's college days.
Oh.
So you don't sleep with boys. When you go to sleep and wake up with white shit all over you.
Uh-huh.